Hi friends, my name is Surya. Welcome back to my channel. Have you seen these kind of errors while creating tests for your JavaScript application, be it React or Next.js? I'm working on a Next.js application. While creating unit tests for a class called button, I got these errors and I'm using testing library for writing my tests. I fixed them with a simple solution. If you're also having the similar problem, I hope you reach to this video and it solves your problem. If it does, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. The solution is very simple. Just open the terminal, navigate to your project directory, and install typescript. I'm using pnpm as package manager. If you're using npm on yarn, you can use that. So for pnpm, install @types.js. Once this is installed, you'll see these errors will be gone immediately. There is gone test screen. Just in case it doesn't work for you, then you might need to restart your TS server. Select Command Shift P on your keyboard and then click Restart TS server. This should resolve your problem. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.